Hello everyone. In this video, we will be setting up our own XDC subnet in our PC. So let's start the video. Head over to XDC.Dev platform and open this article. I'll provide the article link in the description box. We will be following this article throughout the video. You can read this information about XDC subnet. Now, I have already installed Docker in my PC, so I will not be installing in this video, but you have to install it. Follow the instructions specified here. I have already installed Docker engine, so let's check. Copy this command and paste in your terminal. Okay, so we got the message hello from Docker, so it is installed correctly. Now we will check the composer version. Copy this command and paste in your terminal. Okay, so this is my composer version. After installing Docker, what we need to do is clone the repository. Copy these two commands, paste in your terminal and do not hit enter. It will clone the repository. Okay, so it is done. Now hit enter. It will cd over to your directory. Now copy this command. We have to make a copy of docker.env.example and name it docker.env. Okay, now open this code in your preferred editor. I am opening it in my VS Code. Okay, now open docker.env. Here we need to fill data. Just run this command pwd. It will give us the correct path. Copy this path. Copy. Paste in your config path. Now we need private key. I'll show you later. And we need DevNet fun. So open this link, faucet.blockscan.io. Choose your network, XDC-DevNet. Now I have already installed XDC Pay 2.0. I'll give the wallet extension link in the description. Copy this address and paste it here. So 1000 XDC will be enough. Click on request XDC. And you will get your DevNet fund. Now we have to make our env file like this. Network name will be default. You can change it. You can set number of machines and number of subnet also. And for the main IP, run IP space A and you will get your IP address. Copy your IP address and paste it here. Okay. Parent chain will be DevNet. Okay. Now again we will copy our address. Copy and paste it here with 0x prefix. Remove this XDC prefix and add 0x. Now we will need private key. Again click on XDC wallet extension. Click on these three dots. Click on account details. Export private key. Type your wallet password. Click on confirm. and now you will get your private key. Copy this and paste it with 0x prefix. Okay, make sure your env file will look like this: config path, network name, number of machine, number subnet, main IP, parent chain devnet, wallet address and private key. Now press Ctrl S to save your file. Now we need to run this command. Copy this command. Okay, paste it here. It will take few minutes. Okay, so it is done. Now again, come to the article. Copy this command. And paste in your terminal. Okay, so I got error. For these types of error, type sudo and then paste your command. Okay, so it will also take few minutes. Then now again come to the article. Click on generated and you will see commands.txt file. Click on this and run these commands, or you can follow the article, both are same. So copy this first command and paste in your terminal. Again an error, type sudo and then paste your command and hit enter. You can see the commands are same. Copy the second command and paste here with sudo prefix. First type sudo and then your command. So we got the output like this. Now we need to type cd dot dot. Cd space dot dot to come to the previous directory. Now copy these 3 lines. Paste with sudo. First type sudo, then your command. Okay, so we got our checkpoint deployed to address. Okay, we got the output like this. Now we have to make changes in our common.env. Copy this checkpoint address. Click on common.env and paste your checkpoint contract here. Okay. Now save the file. It will ask for permission. Let me type my password and authenticate myself. Okay, so the file is saved. Now copy this command. Okay, it will throw an error. Okay, so we need to come over to the directory generator, type cd and generated. Okay, now hit this command, type sudo and then hit this command. Now again copy this command. Paste the command here. Again. So to resolve this error, you need to type sudo space su. You won't need to type sudo again and again. Okay, so we got the output like this. Now copy this command to check the status. And paste here. Okay, so done. Now what the article says is explore the subnet UI. So for this you will need your IP address :5000. Okay. So come to docker.env, copy your IP address. Come to the Chrome, open new tab, type your IP address :5000. And here it is. You can explore the UI and all the functionalities here. You can see the transactions are mining, creating a new blocks. You can explore all the functionalities here. You can change the theme also to light and dark. So that's all about the video. If you find any difficulty, you can post it on XDC.Dev or you can comment on this video. We will provide the solutions accordingly. Thank you. Follow for more such videos.